ready for that first season in 19. Just a former train of the Russian fighter jet, the Su-27. The NATO code word for the Su-27 is the flanker. There's a lone jet, that is Red 9. He's now going to fly in Eden speed as he flies the Goose. Sleeping with a red, white and blue stripe is Red 9. Flight a bit of white child. He's a split in the vortex. Steeply through the vortex with his white smoke on is Red 8. Right up to the Martin Hurt. 30 is another third-year pilot with the team. He's a former Hawk instructor and Harrier pilot. He also displayed the award. Revolution performed what we call aileron roll, which essentially is just a full left-hand control column input, and that rolls the aircraft rapidly around its longitudinal axis. The idea is that maneuver is getting all 7 jets doing it at the same time. Now look left and right for the synchro pair. This time Red 6 from the right, Red 7 from the left. They're closing at 800 miles an hour. They're going to cross 3 times in opposing 360-degree 6G turns. This is the carousel. The pilots are now. Now you need to look to your right 45 degrees. On the far right of that leader's benefit shape is Red 4. Red 4 is a second-year pilot with the team. His name is Flight Lieutenant Ollie Parr. Ollie is a former Tornado GR4 pilot, but he has spent a tour at Air Force Valley on Anglesey, where we train our advanced flying students using the Hawk. Reds 8 and 9 starts the corkscrew. Red 7 there working hard, flying his jet. wave as they fly past upside down. Red 6 gives the command for the formation to widen as they roll out into a 4-2 square car formation. Now look right 40 on the twister. Very busy there with the red smoke. It's red 5. Flight Lieutenant Steve Morris. It is Steve's second year with the team. He's a former Hawk instructor. Roll and split. This is the Jippo break. With his smoke changing from blue to white. Ladies and gentlemen, please a big round of applause for the synchro pair! Now look directly to the front, and this is the Vixen break. We are the Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team, the Meadows! Aerobatic team, the Red Arrows. Ladies and gentlemen, they're heading back to land at the airport now. We were quite lucky with the weather now, I would say. I can actually see some blue sky. I hope it stays for you for the rest of the afternoon and you get some fantastic displays, and I hope you manage to stay dry. It's been a pleasure talking to you. I hope you